Good morning, YouTubers. I got the rye toast buttered up. I had to cut it down to fit in the toaster. And I'm working on perfecting my bologna sandwich. Ooh, it's almost there. I think another minute. I put it between plates so it would stay flat. One more minute to go. The yogurt tops, they make a great seal for bologna packs. You just cut the top of your bologna pack off and set that down in your refrigerator. I'll put some pepper on the toast. Some Italian seasonings. That's rye toast, by the way. Al Cohen's rye, made in Buffalo, New York. And the butter I like's got the olive oil and sea salt. I'm thinking, you know, you cook it in a frying pan, you got a bigger mess to clean up. But I think it should get a nice crispiness, kind of like if you microwave bacon. And the plate is hot. And I think 5 minutes is all I care to do. Oh yeah, looking good in the neighborhood. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. That's no baloney. Yeah. I'm gonna get 2 greasy plates to clean up. Rinse it down with some black coffee. Life is good. God bless the cooks.